Charles, we've got him everywhere on set. If you can find all the pictures of Mark Charles that we have sit on set, there is no prize, but there is a whole crew of people that are impressed with you. Oh, I love that he's on land. Oh, he's also on the wine. Let's just show that quickly because that's important. Okay, let's get into the world of Temp-tations. This is the classic pattern, and let me explain what classic is. Classic means that you're getting the old world and the floral lace in your patterning around your set of two 20-ounce insulated tumblers. Now, I want you to hear something. Oh, these are double-walled stainless steel construction. They have an awesome lid at the top, and we're going to talk all about the features, but first I want you to know they are BPA free and they keep your beverages cold for up to 8.5 hours and your hot beverages hot for up to 3.5 hours. Now look, they each come with a gift box. I know, really, really cute, and we've got color choices for you. So I have them on set with me in the taupe. We also have the set of two in blue. We have the set of two in confetti. We also have the gray. And we also have the red. You know what I love about stainless steel tumblers? I'm gonna tell you. They don't stain. They're easier to clean, in my opinion. And what I love about stainless steel tumblers, they don't retain a scent. If you've ever had a plastic tumbler, you put coffee in it, and now your lemonade, your fruit drink, your ice water just smells like coffee for the rest of its life. Yeah, you don't get that with stainless steel. So, K54468 and the World of Temp-tations bringing us a great value. 3 easy payments of $749 to get them both home. Remember, with the gift boxes, and there is a no reorder situation here. Lisa LaSorte's coming back to join us. And Lisa, I love these.
Because you know what's so great about these? I agree with you. Every point you made about stainless steel, and they're pretty.
Yes.
They're actually pretty, right?
Yes.
By the way, these fit in standard cup holders as well. So whether you're zooming from home and you just want to keep your coffee hot longer, or something else colder longer, that's perfect. But this lid also has a silicone seal, Mary. So when you put that on, it's going to stay nice and tight for you. You can see on that grip right there. Yep, Mare, right there. Easy. That's where your thumb goes. Open and close is super easy. And what's great about that is if it is in your cup holder in your car, when you're at a red light or when you're stopped, it just takes one hand to open and close this. But it's not just for coffee, right? It's not just for tea. I'm on the smoothie kick, okay? Because I'm trying really hard to get healthy, aren't we all?
Yes.
But you know what it costs, right, to go out to these stores. Now, you have a blender at home. Just make your own little smoothie. Now you have the perfect thing to drink it from. And at what, just about $10, $11 a piece? You can make your own smoothie. You can put it on the go, or you can take it with you. But look at this, because we can go back to the gym now and all that kind of stuff. See that little hole right there? That's where you're going to drink from, right? There's the silicone seal. Just pop it right on, and you see how easy it is to drink from. You want to close it? Close it up. This is really perfection. And Mary, I never say this, and you know I never do, but this is like a huge gift alert, even for Christmas as a stocking stuffer. I hate to say that, but it fits perfectly into a stocking.
I know. Lisa has a staunch rule about talking about Christmas before we're into that holiday season, and she just broke it, so that means this is a good thing. When I see this set of two with the gift boxes for $11.24 a piece, that's a good deal. Now, I have the taupe here on set with me. So if you're not sure who they're for and you just want to stock up, this is a great find. Now, we also have them in 4 other colors. You can see the old world and the floral lace captured here in what we call the classic print. Now, we also have them in blue, great for the 4th of July. Hello, most limited in the blue. We also have them in confetti, great for any party situation. We also have them in gray, which is great for, quite frankly, any situation. Then we also have them in red, 4th of July. I'm gonna basket toss Lisa LaSorte in the air when I see her in person, and very popular in that red. That's the name of the game today. Everything red has just been like kicking the door down popular. This is a place where you can get them individually boxed. I love that we get the box, but this is one too that will keep my drinks cold for 8.5 hours and will keep my hot drinks hot for 3.5 hours. So that's back deck party time.
Yeah, Mary, this is what I'm saying, right? We all drink something every day. We're supposed to drink a lot every day, right? So why not drink out of something that's going to be functional? Keeping your hot drinks hot for over 3 hours, your cold drinks cold for over 8 hours. Pop the top on, it keeps the bugs out, by the way. But from everything from breakfast to lunch to dinner to craft cocktails, these are just perfection. And then when you're on the go, they're perfect. Now, remember, they're double walled. That means no dishwasher for these. You're going to literally just rinse them out in the sink, and it's perfect right there. But they're so darn pretty. And the fact that they fit in most standard cup holders make them the most perfect travel companion as well.
I mean, they're this easy to clean out. It's not even like there's a little lip that you have to figure out how to clean.
Exactly.
You know what, too? I love, my husband will look at me and say, I'm a little too old for an Easter basket. And then he'll kind of give me one of those, like I said it, but I don't mean it. He'll give me a little wink, like, but if you wanted to buy a big old bucket of candy, that's fine. And I think this would be fun for your spouse or for your partner, to really load that up. So now it's its own little on-the-go Easter basket. That'd be so fun. Any excuse to gift candy. And Mother's Day. Hey, Mom, we got you one that you could use at home and then one that you could take with you and keep in the car. I mean, this makes perfect sense. But again, I want to say, stainless steel, double walled, not going to retain any odor or flavor. And you've got the classic pattern, so it goes with your old world and floral lace. They think of everything over there at Temp-tations. This is the taupe in the set of 2.
Thank you, Mary.
Yes, you do.
And Mary, I'm sorry. And did you notice how easy it is to hold in your hand? Sometimes when you get to 20 ounces, the reason they don't fit in cup holders is because they get really wide. We made this really sleek so that it's really easy to hold in the hand, but you still get the 20-ounce capacity.
Because y'all are smart. That's why. Y'all do smart things. You know what, Lisa? Thank you for bringing all of these offers to the show today. I love spending time with you.
You too, my friend.
Thank you. We also have the blue. We also have the confetti. We have the gray. And we also have the red. Red, very popular in the show. We have a clearance price. That means there is